Is your tool that's making noises? Well, this one is whistling, and I quoted this job via photos for $275. The client was, why you charge me $275, Hoppy, if you're just going to replace one valve? I said I never replace one valve, I always do a full service, which is replacing the outlet washer, inlet valve, and flexible hose. Now, he also needed the mini stop changed as well, but I just chucked that in for him. Now, what can be causing a tool that's making noises or even whistling noises in this case? Ultimately, it's the inlet valve, but what can cause it to break is high pressure. Now, this guy had 700 kPa. He lives in Fenchurch Forest, which is notorious for high pressure. I did recommend we put in a pressure reduction valve. He doesn't want to do it at this stage, but it's also very nice to know why, things break, because you can see right there how much pressure is coming up there on the inlet valve. So yeah, this is all tested up, nice and clean.